In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a title attribute in the WordPress navigation menu. Title attributes allow you to provide extra information about a link. They often appear as tooltip text when the mouse hovers over the link. To add this in your menu, in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Menu. And then when I expand this menu option, you can see that I do not have any option to add a title attribute here. If you also don't see any options here, then go to Screen Options, and under Advanced Menu Options, enable the title attribute setting. So now we have an option to add a title attribute here. Add title attributes for all your menu options. Then click on Save. And now let's go to the website. I'll just reload the page. And now when I hover over any menu item, a text appears giving me more information about that item. This is how you can add a title attribute in the WordPress navigation menu. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.